How to turn on Facebook group post approval. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to turn on Facebook group post approval. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and further tap on the groups option you see there. In here, go ahead and tap on the Your Groups option from the top. You will then be able to see all the groups that you are a part of and all the groups that you manage. So, under the Groups You Manage tab, tap on the group whose post approval you want to enable. On the top right of your screen, you will see a shield-like icon. Tap on that and scroll down under the Settings tab. Further, tap on the Group Settings option. Scroll down again and under Manage Discussion tab, you will see the Post Approval option. Tap on that. In the pop-up that appears, select the On Radio button, and now admins and moderators will have to approve each post before they are posted. So, this is how you can turn on Facebook group post approval. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.